In the early 20th century, America embarked on a bold experiment known as Prohibition, a period marked by the legal ban on the manufacture, sale, and transportation of alcoholic beverages. This era, stretching from 1920 to 1933, was born from the temperance movement, a crusade fueled by religious fervor and a desire to perfect society. Yet, despite its noble intentions, Prohibition unleashed a wave of unintended consequences that would forever alter the cultural and criminal landscape of the United States. The roots of Prohibition can be traced back to the early 1800s, with the rise of temperance societies advocating for abstinence from alcohol. By the time the 18th Amendment was ratified in 1919, the movement had gained significant momentum, driven by figures like Wayne Wheeler of the Anti-Saloon League. The Volstead Act soon followed, laying down the legal framework for enforcing this nationwide ban. However, enforcement proved to be a monumental challenge. The Volstead Act and the 18th Amendment were met with widespread defiance. Americans found ingenious ways to circumvent the law, giving rise to bootlegging, the illegal production and distribution of liquor, and speakeasies, clandestine bars that thrived in urban centers. As the law struggled to keep pace with these illicit activities, a darker force emerged from the shadows: organized crime. Figures like Al Capone capitalized on this prohibition of alcohol, amassing fortunes and power through their control of bootlegging operations. These crime syndicates extended their reach into other illegal enterprises, laying the groundwork for the American mafia. The cultural impact of Prohibition was profound. It spurred a fascination with gangsterism, immortalized in films like Scarface and Little Caesar, which captured the public's imagination with tales of crime and rebellion. Meanwhile, law enforcement figures like Eliot Ness and his Untouchables became legends in their own right, battling crime bosses and capturing headlines. Ultimately, Prohibition's legacy is one of paradox. Intended to curb the consumption of alcohol and improve society's moral fabric, it instead fostered an era of lawlessness and corruption. By 1933, the experiment ended with the repeal of the 18th Amendment, leaving behind lessons on the complexities of legislating morality. As we reflect on this tumultuous chapter in American history, we are reminded of the intricate dance between intention and consequence, a narrative that continues to resonate in contemporary discussions about regulation and reform.